All right, so yeah, we had a break there. So yeah, so you can meditate. So now let's go over B flat. So for B flat, we have a 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. If you want to continue going, so we have a 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Slowly for the last time. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Now to B, we have a yeah. For B, we're gonna start with our fourth finger. So let me do that here. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have a again 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if I want to continue like I want to play 2 octaves now, let me show you that. I'll do 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so 1. So we can start B with 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back to C. Okay, let's do B one more time. 4 or 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you want to go back, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 or 5 either. Then back to C, we have a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Right, so that's it. That's that.